Hi, welcome to Tom Blake House. Over the years, we've been serving breakfast to guests for quite a few years now, and the two recipes that we get asked for more than any other is Avril's granola and our Irish soda bread. You can go to the website for Avril's granola, all the step-by-step, and the recipe is there at tomblakehouse.ie, and the soda bread recipe and step-by-step is there also. It's a super quick, easy bread to make. It's basically mixing dry ingredient and wet ingredient, shaping and into the oven. The oven is preheated at 180, and right here I have 2 parts white flour, 1 part brown whole wheat, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, and I'm going to add a level teaspoon of bread soda. So 2 parts white. For this recipe, it's 300 grams of white flour, 150 grams of whole wheat, a teaspoon of brown sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to add a level teaspoon of bread soda. You kind of wait until the last minute to add the bread soda, because once it's in there and it's mixed with the salt can kill it. And then once you mix the wet ingredient to it, it starts to activate straight away when it comes in contact with the buttermilk. So simply just sift your dry. So dump the rougher stuff in there. And then really a key part of this process is getting your fingers through the flour, mixing it all, and you're actually getting air into the flour. And it just makes for a much lighter bread when it comes out of the oven. So I kind of probably overdo this a little bit, but it just makes for a really nice bread. So that's it. So for 450 grams total of flour, I have just over 12 fluid ounces of buttermilk. And in the buttermilk, I also add a little bit of sour cream, because I think it just makes for a richer bread. You get that in there, mix it all together. Comes together really quick. Seconds. And then you don't want to hang around. You just want to clean off your hands quick as you like, but don't waste anything. Quick wash of the hands. And then flour a tray. Very important, obviously, you don't want the bread sticking to the tray. Bit of flour on the counter. And then we're going to turn out the bread. Get that out. Flour your hands for your shaping. Onto the tray. There's some little mixing involved in this, and that's the key part of the process. Because if you overmix it, you're just going to end up with a tough bread. Cross in the middle. And into the oven. That's it. Leave that for 30-35 minutes I usually turn it after 10. Just turn the bread so it gets a nice even bake. 30-35 minutes. After that, I take it out, turn the bread over on the tray and finish it that way, upside down. Take it out, give it a knock. It usually takes 50-55 minutes and you should have a lovely loaf of bread. That's it. Thanks very much.